Hello. So, continue from where we stopped, we talked about elements. So, elements are those things we use to tell the website how to display things in the website. So, we have. We are going to look into some of the elements that we have. Not, we are not going to talk about all of them now, but we talk about some of them because it's HTML is full of elements, so we cannot finish everything. It will be information overload. So we have to just start from the ones we can have a hand on. As you go on, you will learn more. So the first element we are going to look at is header. We have header and footer. Header and footer are like twins. So header, just like in a document, you have the header where you put the title, and the photo is where you give more information on what is contained on the page. In some photos you can see an explanation of some of the words used. Maybe they are hard words or unique words or other languages. So the same thing in websites. The header contains the title and some of the things that you want to talk about, the main idea of the page, while the footer contains more links or more informations or links or explanation of some things. So when you divide the website body, that's where what the people are going to see from with the header and footer. In between them is the body. We have the body, and some people use section, or you can call it section. You can use section inside the body. It just a demarcation of that this place is the body, that's the main content. Section can be a section in the body, or the whole part will be section. Just by the name you understand. So we have the next is div. If is just a divide. So a div has its own qualities. One of the quality of a div is that it takes over the whole role. It's selfish. It does not want any other thing to come beside him. So when you put a div, it means the whole role is for this content, for whatever is contained in the div. Sometimes we override it, but for now, we'll stay with the original concept. So we have P. P is like paragraph, just like a paragraph in your text. You want to show a paragraph, a block of a text that has a particular information or meaning. So that is P, paragraph. Span. Span does not have its own quality, but it is used to style some word, a group of word or a word in a paragraph. So when you come in a paragraph that contains a lot of words, then you want to style one or two texts, then use span to style it. We'll see more of this when we do CSS. BR is a break to the next line. We use it to break to the next line when we want to enter, like in typing, you use. Yeah. Then B is for bold, to make a text bold. EM is for emphasis, to emphasize a text. Does not really make it, might not make it bold, but it will be emphasized. Strong is to make it to show that it is a strong word. It makes it bold also. Highlights is to be conspicuous. IMG is image tag. We use it to put an image in the website. Okay, the image tag, you see that there is source, so you have to put the source where the image is saved. And then alternative is what you use to explain what the image is all about. The alternative is a text description of what the image is. Remember, if you remember, we said that when you are programming, you have to uh, put in mind there are people who cannot see, but they will use your website. So alternative will help these people, because if they are using screen reader to read your website because they cannot see it, then the text you put on the alternative will explain to them that the image that they are not seeing, but the image that is in the website is image of so thing. So they will understand that there is an image and is image of something. A is anchor tag. It's called an anchor tag. Anchor tag. If you look at the anchor tag, you see that it contains a href. That is a hyper reference. We use it. A website is a connection of many pages. Many pages are linked together. So that is why it is called web. So just like a web cobweb, it is linked from one to another. So hyperlink text, hyperlink or anchor tag is used to connect to link from one page to another. We'll see how we use it, but it's called anchor link is for linking. Then we have video tag, which is used to embed a video in a website. It has a video, the width and the height controls. When you add controls, it means that you want the user to be able to pause, play the video, to have a control. In every video, there is a source. You have to show the source where the video is stored. We'll be using this, and you see all this. And iframe is used to connect a website to an external website. So why anchor tag is from page to page, to link from page to page, iframe is to link from this website to an external website. So it has a source and a title, and these are the few elements we are going to talk about. We are going to try to implement them in our website to see how it is gonna work.